Hello everyone, this is Tutor Lee from ChineseTutorLee.com. Today I'm going to share with you one word that you can survive in China, even you're a totally Mandarin beginner. This word is 这个, which means this. Why? When you go shopping in China, you just point to this item, you can see 这个, that means this. 这个. 这个. If you want to buy something, you use your finger to point to that item and say 这个, which means this. And then when you go to a restaurant to order food, you see the menu, you point to the menu. You can see 这个, this, 这个, this, okay? So you can survive in China with this word, 这个. And one of my friends who is from Canada, and he lived in China for quite a long time, the only word he can see is 这个, but he can survive in China for a lot of years. So read after me one more time. 这个, 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 which means this. Okay, remember, if you don't know something, use your finger to point to, and then say 这个. Then the shop assistant understand, oh, you want that, you want this. And you go to ordering the food, the waitress understand, oh, you want this. 这个. Okay, cool. And for more lessons, especially if you want to learn Chinese alphabet pronunciation crash course, please click link below, which is the world's best pronunciation Chinese pinyin crash course. I will guarantee that. Okay, so see you in next video.